To make your own air and fabric freshening spray that works just like Febreze, start by boiling 2 cups, 470 milliliters of water in a saucepan or kettle. As soon as the water reaches a rolling boil, take the pan off of the heat and mix in 1/3 cup, 73 grams of baking soda, and 1 cup, 235 milliliters of fabric softener liquid or beads. Stir the mixture until all the ingredients are dissolved and thoroughly combined. Let the mixture cool for about 30 to 60 minutes or until it reaches room temperature. Then transfer it into a spray bottle. Shake the bottle before using your copycat Febreze. If you want to make an air freshener without using fabric softener, combine 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters of rubbing alcohol or vodka with 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters of water in a spray bottle. Then add 15 to 25 drops of your favorite essential oil. Shake the mixture well before spraying it onto musty surfaces for a boost of deodorizing freshness.